Hello my friends, welcome back to my channel for a quick two-part grocery haul. Today I went to Aldi and I went to Trader Joe's and I thought I would share with you what I purchased, and I have both Points Plus and Smart Points values for you, so let's dive right in. Organic strawberries were on sale. This was $5. I'm super excited. To me, organic strawberries, for whatever reason, taste like candy. So when they're on sale, I don't buy organic normally, but when they're on sale, I do, and it is such a treat. So I'm gonna get those chopped up, 0 points, obviously. Eggs, Trader Joe's actually has a great price for eggs, generally speaking, so I started buying eggs there. These are a new family favorite. My husband and I both love them. The turkey corn dogs found in the frozen food section, 4 points plus, 5 smart points. I did buy 2 treat type things today because they're seasonal, they're so good. And the first is the saltwater taffy. The saltwater taffy is 5 points plus and 8 smart points for the 7-piece serving. And then this, I didn't even have to think twice when I put this in my cart because I love their biscotti, especially their pumpkin biscotti. Oh my goodness. But of course that is a fall item. So here we saw Meyer Lemon and I immediately said yes. I love lemon flavored desserts so much. For the 2 cookie serving, it's their mini biscotti. The serving of these, which is 2 cookies, is 3 points plus and 5 smart points. I bought some onion and chive cream cheese spread because I bought some bagels, which you'll see in a little bit, from Aldi, and I wanted some cream cheese to go with it, and I thought that this and a bagel thin would be such a great combination. This is not reduced fat or anything. This is just regular cream cheese. For the 2 tablespoon serving, it is 2 points plus and 4 smart points. A staple in my house, the gorgonzola gnocchi, which is so good. I get so many messages from you guys saying you tried it for the first time because of me, and it is in fact life-changing. So thank you for telling me that you're trying this stuff. It's so good. 1 serving is 6 points plus and 9 smart points. The cauliflower gnocchi is also a staple in my house. A lot of this stuff is now a staple. I have a few new things, but a lot of staples. Cauliflower gnocchi, 3 points plus, 3 smart points a serving. And this is new and exciting. I've bought them once before. These are stellar in the air fryer, my friends. Stellar. This is the outside in stuffed gnocchi. Oh my goodness, so good. 1 serving is 4 points plus and 6 smart points. Then I got my standard old sourdough bread. I love this stuff. It's got protein, it's got fiber, it's delicious. It is 2 points plus and smart points per slice. I decided to splurge. This was my treat for myself today, and I got the everything but the bagel salmon. There are 2 servings in here, and 1 serving is 1 smart point and 2 points plus. This item is literally the only thing in my grocery haul thus far that I've calculated all the Trader Joe's stuff that Smart Points has beaten out Points Plus. This is the only thing. Everything else is significantly lower in Points Plus than Smart Points. These have become a staple as well, also stellar in the air fryer, the chicken gyoza pot stickers. For the 7 pot sticker serving, which is very generous, it is 5 Points Plus and 6 Smart Points. And then I'm going to show you this because my father doesn't watch my videos, so it's okay, but I literally went and bought what might be my father's entire Father's Day gift at Trader Joe's because you don't know what to buy the man. He doesn't want anything, and the one thing he does want this year, my sisters took care of, but the man loves to cook and he loves spicy. So whenever I can, I try and find him new and exciting sauces, and oh my gosh, Trader Joe's delivered like whoa, you guys. So this is the Trader Joe's jalapeno pepper hot sauce. This is new, a Trader Joe's jalapeno sauce. I got him the barbecue coffee rub for food he makes on the grill. This I didn't know existed, but he loves virgin Bloody Marys, so Bloody Mary salsa, why not? And then this is what gave me the idea to get him sauces to begin with. Trader Joe's Ghost Chili Barbecue Sauce. Every other member of my family, stay away from this stuff when my dad cooks, but hopefully my dad will love it. So that was the Trader Joe's haul. Let me switch out for Aldi. Alright, time for part 2. This is my itty bitty Aldi haul. I did get myself some kombucha because kombucha is a great price over there, so when I find the flavor I like, I go for it. 2 giant zucchinis because there are zoodles in my future, carrots because why not. I picked these up for the first time ever, the mini eclairs that come in the frozen section, because we are having friends over on Friday and I thought this would be a nice treat. A serving of 5 eclairs is 6 points plus and 11 smart points. This is very important, my friends. So this is the Aldi dupe of the Fiber One bars, right? But now Fiber One came out with those 70 calorie ones, but be wary of the 70 calorie ones, my friends. I am so incredibly ticked that they did this and are replacing the 90 calorie ones. It works out great for Weight Watchers Smart Points people and not so great for everybody else. So these are 2 points plus 4 smart points. Now the new ones are 2 points plus 2 smart points, but the problem is that they are filled with erythritol, which is a sugar alcohol, which is infuriating, and I've also heard that they taste pretty terrible. So do not be worried, my friends, because Aldi, at least for now, has the original bars. So knowing that, I bought the cinnamon coffee cake ones, and I'm looking forward to still having them available to me. This cheese is so good. This is their aged specialty select or whatever. Yeah, selected white cheddar cheese for 1 ounce. It is 3 points plus 4 smart points. I've started doing this real crazy thing where I buy real full fat half and half and put it in my coffee, and it's divine. The 2 tablespoon serving, which is not what I use a fraction of that, but 2 tablespoon serving is 1 points plus and 2 smart points. Interestingly, and I guess I've never really made this association before, bread stuffs appear to be, unless they are heavily modified to like have way extra fiber or way extra protein or something, in general, I have found that bread things are the same across the plans. These bagel skinnies, which I haven't seen at Aldi before, but I'm really excited about, and this is what I'm going to use the cream cheese and the salmon on. The bagel skinnies, 3 points plus 3 smart points. Love and Fresh whole grain 12 grain bread, 3 points plus 3 smart points per slice, and the English muffins, 3 points plus 3 smart points. And then the last thing I got was some salsa, some black beans, and some corn, because I'm thinking about making like a chicken mix thing, shred some chicken, throw these ingredients in, throw it on top of some rice or in a tortilla or something. I don't know, Mexican type food sounded good, so I bought those ingredients, and it'll be great. So that is everything in my grocery haul. Cameo from the little dog. Hello, Gracie. Hi. Are you ready for me to pay attention to you now instead of filming? Probably. Anyway, this was my grocery haul for the week. All of this stuff clocked in at just under $100, which is great because it also included my Father's Day gift. And yeah, that's all I have for you today. I hope you guys have a wonderful weekend. If you like this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. And if you haven't joined my community already, make sure you hit the subscribe button because you'll see more of this creature right here. Thank you guys for watching. Take care, and I'll see you next time.